Hi, my name is Mrs. Ford, and I am a 4th grade teacher here at Indiana Gateway Digital Academy. Here is a slide that shows you all about my family. We are a family of 3. My husband Derek and I have been married for 20 years. And here's a couple of pictures of my silly sweet girl Addison, who is 6 years old. We live in Evansville, Indiana, which is down in the very bottom of the state. We border Kentucky and Illinois and live on the Ohio River. I like to say that we live in the toe of the state. If you look at the state of Indiana, it kind of looks like a boot. So I live way down in the bottom. Some of my favorite things. I love the color yellow because it reminds me of happiness and sunshine. I love pizza. I love coffee. I always have a cup of coffee with me when we have class. My favorite movie is Guardians of the Galaxy, and I'm a big Groot fan. I love owls, and I really enjoy going to the beach. My husband and I love the St. Louis Cardinals. I was raised a Chicago Cubs fan, and now I am a Cardinals fan. So we were able to, a couple years ago, go in and tour the dugout of the Cards, and we really enjoyed that. And then this summer, we went to Ballpark Village. So here's a picture of my husband and Addison in front of the St. Louis logo. I also really love to sew and craft, so here's some pictures of some things that I've done. Since Addison was born, I do a lot of costumes for her. So you can see the Pikachu costume I made her, and the Poppy the Troll costume I made her, as well as some hats. We love to travel in our family, and so I have some pictures here of my favorite places to go. And you can see that my husband and I got to go zip lining in Branson, and we were able to meet Chewbacca when Addie was a little thing at Disney. And then this summer, my husband and I went to Galveston, Texas together. It was a lot of fun. My teaching experience includes 5 years at 4th grade. I love 4th grade. It's my heart and my soul. I did teach 4 years in 6th grade and 8 years at Parkland College in Illinois, which is a community college. Here's my contact information, and if you need to get a hold of me for any reason, you can email me at cford@ingda.net. You can call me on this number, 844-743-4437, with that extension, or you can text me at the 812 number, and I can get back to you as soon as I am able. I hope that we have a lovely year, and I can't wait to meet all of you.